Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to export chats from WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our settings by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner. It's going to take us here. Next, we're going to select chats. That's right above notifications and below privacy. And the fourth option we have here is export chat. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. As you can see here, you have all your recent chats, even the archived ones. So we're going to go ahead and click on a chat. So you can choose whether you want to attach it with the media or without the media. So let's say we want to attach it with the media. We wait for it to export. And now you can either copy it or send it directly to some of the options that you have above. So we're going to go ahead and click on copy, and then you can paste it in wherever app or chat or text message you want to send it to. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.